Alam ni Marcos na si Aglagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be, yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would
the right to be heard, the right to be informed, importante yan. Constitutional provision yan, Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganon, tantrum. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong na. Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
To be short of challenging Browner na. To be short of challenging Browner na.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address, sabihin ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president, start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist.
And then people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo lang siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulika. Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang dyan.
But people are saying, pag muhin mo si Tatay Digo, alsa ng tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been sorry.
So kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na, they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa, tignan nating records. We will ask. Tapos, ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not,
No nothing.
so just,
No nothing.
you're just airing out as a citizen? Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoin them to opt out.
what?
To opt out from supporting what you said was the Mr. President. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
That's civilian na ako. I have no authority to order
No,
them
not
to...
order, but just to enjoin them or
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Ngayon magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, taga Davao, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. Kamo isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nagsuicide. Minumura. If you can tap the fingers and say, huwag ka masyado matulog. Kunti na lang. Kung ako yun. Isin mo, huwag ka muna tulog. Kape ka lang. Murahe mo. Kaya po napahiya. Sundalo na pagkamatay.
meron din na ang Colonel Mayor na
Nabaril. Sa argument yun. It was an argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel. Was with.
what happened pala sa
Colonel, hindi mo nagsuicide yun. Yung PSG nagsuicide yun. Minura niya. Ni Mrs. Marcos.
kailan yan, Mayor?
Bago lang. Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor, may ano dito pa-ask daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Alam mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from this happiness po, as a former president, how will you help your people from the sufferings?
again, ma'am,
As a former president, how will you help your people from the sufferings?
suffering. Ma'am, sinasabi ko na ngayon, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief in sight. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
But how if,
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di palakpakin, let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing nothing.
do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll slap our hands and say that the military is takot. Yes, sinabi mo eh. Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh. Hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or evidence